Hi, so here's my review for the Kari Gran mini kit, which is what started my addiction. I initially got this because I was breaking out pretty bad, like along the jawline and in my temples. I'm still like recovering from the scarring that comes along with that too. But I initially started with this and I got the lavender version because I love lavender, so I figured you couldn't go wrong with that. At first I broke out. I did, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I broke out a little bit worse than what I had. So I wanted to give up, but I reached out and Kari herself just said, you know, kind of push through. Maybe you're not rinsing well enough. And so I took her advice and like glowing skin, everything started to clear up. Obviously then I went and purchased the bigger sizes of it because I am a fan. It's so easy. I'm addicted kind of to it now because it's such a ritual. Like, before, you just wash your face and obviously it would like strip, you know, all the oil from my skin. Because I was using cleansers, which to fight acne, which were so stripping that I actually felt like my fine lines and wrinkles were a little bit more prominent. As soon as I switched to the oil cleansing and got her towel, that's key. I'm just gonna say right now, like, not to, you know, push you to spend more money, but as soon as I got the towel, it exfoliated so much better and really removed the oils itself to help. But I can't say enough good about it. I love the scent of the serum. I ended up getting the full size of the rose just because I love the rose scent, but both of them are equally as good. The SPF, if you have any kind of dark age spots like I do, like I don't know if you can see, but I have one over here, it's pretty nice. This helps. Like, I just feel like it's helping to fade them. They're not as prominent. This one on my chin over here, sometimes you can just almost tell after being out in the sun, it's a little bit darker. Absolutely obsessed with it in light because it matches my skin perfectly. Is this it? I got it right. And then the regular SPF I love too. I'm just a fan of it all, so you can't go wrong. Thanks. When I'm using the mini kit, my skin definitely feels soft, supple, fresh. I really like the way my skin glows. It's kind of dewy. At first I wasn't sure if I liked that, but over time it just keeps improving, and now my skin's absorbing the oils even better. So I really enjoy it. So if you're on the fence and just like thinking about it, I would suggest going for it because I've spent a lot of money. I have a lot of products. My bathroom does not make my husband happy at all because there's a million that I give to friends after a while. Searching for something that's going to work, and to be honest with you, the less that I've used, the better my skin has gotten. The less ingredients, the better and healthier my skin is. So stop looking for the all-in-all that's going to work and make a magic eraser and you're going to look like somebody else, and embrace what you have and get these products because they're simple, non-irritating. You don't have to worry about the ingredients that you're using, and they work. So get them. That's what I say.